Good morning, students. Today we will learn about modals. Now, as it is a vast topic, today we can only cover about its meanings and features. Now you can see the screen. I will go slide after slide to explain the meaning and features of modals. What is the meaning of a modal? A modal is a verb used with another verb, especially the main verb, to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. Let us see some examples. I can answer all these questions easily. Here, in this sentence, the speaker is talking about his own ability. Can I have this bread? Now in this sentence, the speaker is asking or seeking permission for something. You must do it. Here, the speaker is compelling somebody to do something. Here, you should consult your doctor. Here, the speaker is giving some suggestions. Could I see that pen, please? Here, the speaker is requesting. So we can see the speaker in different moods. The first case, it was ability, then permission, then compulsion, then suggestion, and the other is the request. Now, since modals is a classification of verb, we must know about the major classification of verbs. Here we can see the verbs can be divided mainly into two subdivisions. They are main verbs and auxiliary verbs. What are main verbs? They are also known as principal verbs. Examples are eat, drink, give, sing, go, sleep. And what are auxiliary verbs? These are the helping verbs. Examples are be, do, may, should, have, and can. Now, auxiliary verbs can also be subdivided into three subdivisions. These are known as primary auxiliary, modal auxiliary, and semi-modal auxiliary. So, we will learn about these three main divisions in some detail. What are primary auxiliaries? Primary auxiliaries are those auxiliaries which are used to form tenses. Major primary auxiliaries are be, have, and do. Now, be has different forms. Is, are, am, was, were. Have has different forms like has, had. Do has different forms like does, did. All these are primary auxiliaries because they are used to form tenses. For example, is used in the present tense. Are is also used in present tense. Am also used in present tense. Whereas was and were in the past tense. Has in present tense. Had in past tense. Does in present tense. Did in the past tense. Now we are coming to the modal auxiliaries. What are modal auxiliaries? As we have already said before, modal auxiliaries are used with main verbs to express the different moods of the speaker. The speaker might have different mood of speaking, like granting of permission, giving suggestion, requesting someone, etc. So the examples of modal auxiliaries are may, should, might, could, must, etc. Now we will come to the features of modal auxiliaries. We will understand these features in distinction with the primary auxiliaries. See the first feature of modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary changes according to the person and number of the subject, but modal auxiliaries have only one form. Let us see the examples, we will understand. Primary auxiliaries: I am singing, we are singing, he is singing, they are singing. Now here am, are, the, is, these are the forms of be verb. But this be verb is changing here according to the number and person of the subject. What is the number and person of this subject? I. I is a first person singular number. So here the be form is am. Here let us see, we is the first person plural. So here the subject, the verb is are. Here again third person singular number. So the verb is. Now here third person plural. So the verb is are. So be verb is changing according to the subject and number of the, according to the number and person of the subject. Now modal auxiliary: I can sing, we can sing, he can sing, they can sing. So here we can see that the subjects are more or less the same. I, we, he, they. But here the modal auxiliaries, they are not changing. In every case it is the same, that is can. I can sing, we can sing, he can sing, and they can sing. Now we are coming to the second feature of modal auxiliary. Here again we will distinguish with the primary auxiliary. Primary auxiliaries may stand on their own as main verbs, but modal auxiliaries cannot stand on their own unless they are used in question tags. See here examples. Primary auxiliary: he is clever. Is used as a main verb here. Whereas see the next sentence, he is taking her dinner. Here in this sentence, is the auxiliary verb, primary auxiliary, and taking is the main verb. So is can be used as main verb and also as an auxiliary verb. Now come to the next one. See modal auxiliary: you should live within your means. Here should cannot stand on its own. It has to take the help of the main verb live. Now we are coming to the next feature of primary auxiliaries, modal auxiliary, Primary auxiliaries do not have main verb in its root form. But in the case of modal auxiliaries, the main verb after a modal must be in the root form. Okay. See here in the example, primary auxiliary: it is raining tonight. So what is the primary auxiliary here? Is the auxiliary and raining is the main verb. And see this main verb raining, it is not in its root form. What is the form of this verb? Root form plus ing. Whereas in the case of modal auxiliary, it may rain tonight. So may is the auxiliary, rain is the main verb, and it is in root form. Now we are coming to the third classification, that was semi-modals. What are semi-modals? These are those verbs which are partly behave like main verbs and partly like modal auxiliaries. There are three such verbs: dare, need, used to. Let us see, use them in sentences. Need I wait for you? Here need is the auxiliary verb and wait is the main verb. I don't need your help. Here need is used as a main verb. So need is used, though it is a modal auxiliary, it is used both as an auxiliary verb and also as a main verb. Now see here the next example. He dare not tell lies. So dare is used as an auxiliary. The main verb is telling, tell. Whereas in the next sentence, do you dare to tell lies? Here dare is used as a main verb. So here these kind of verbs, need, dare and used to, they can be used both as auxiliaries and as main verbs. So today we end here.